Light up the joy of life. This is garden decoration solar light. I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to do a full review video later, but this is the unboxing just to see what comes in the box. It opens up nicely. Can I just say I really love the way it doesn't have any plastic packets or packaging. It's just paper, which is awesome. And it just comes compacted like this. Where it is, as you can see, it's already started to light up because, of course, it's solar operated. So the minute I took it out of the box, it started charging, which is great. It comes with these fixtures. This is for going into the soil, so it can be mounted on the ground so that it can charge. It comes with an instruction manual. It also comes with warning, etc. Just a quick guide. Talking of which, it comes with fixtures for affixing this to a wall, for instance, or a fence. So that's everything that comes in the box.